Welcome to the official call center section. Here, you can monitor every phone interaction across your entire team. Past logs appear automatically, categorized by status for seamless workflow tracking. You can inspect inbound and outbound phone channels in live real time. Easily toggle status sections like canceled or no answer to keep your primary operational dashboard fully organized and clean. Use the top search bar to locate specific call records instantly. Open the detailed filter menu to narrow results by product, client, agent, phone number, direction, or custom date range. Visual direction arrows on each card clearly display whether a call was inbound from a client or outbound from your sales agent. Click any completed call card to open detailed conversation recordings. Easily review full live transcriptions, playback audio in real time, or download call audio files directly for offline quality assurance evaluation. Automated summaries instantly highlight key conversation points and main takeaways from each completed call. Switch the top navigation tabs to view calls generated through website widgets. These represent interactions initiated directly from embedded AI web agents on your site. You get complete transcriptions, audio playback, and structured AI summaries for all landing page visitors who interacted with your widget. To initiate a manual call, click Call on the sidebar menu. Select your target client, assign an agent and workflow, then launch a cold call immediately. Check your available call balance anytime in the lower left corner. This counter updates automatically according to your active subscription plan and overall platform usage. Thank you for watching this guide, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode.